Hey everyone, it's Anna B, and today I'm going to teach y'all how to make a rainbow loom fishtail bracelet. Super easy bracelet to make, and it's really fashionable, and I love wearing them. I used to make this all the time when I was little, and I can't wait to show y'all. And you're going to need about 15 to 10 of these bands and 15 to 10 of these bands. Or you can just use one band or multiple colors. So you're going to start off by making an infinity sign around your two fingers to where there's a cross in the middle, like so. And then you're going to add one band over your two fingers, like in a circle. And then you're going to do the same for the color that you started with. Or if you're using multiple colors, the next color. Or if you're using the same color, the same color. Like so. And then from here, you're going to pull the bottom band up over the other bands and into the middle of your two fingers. Make sure you pull your bands down so it's easy to add on new bands as the bracelet or ring goes on. And then you're going to just make sure that they're also not crossing over each other on your fingers. So then you're going to add another band. And then you're going to pull over the bottom band once again. So you're going to repeat this pattern until the bracelet is your desired length, and I'm going to let y'all watch me continue to do this. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to end your bracelet, and you're going to start by pulling over the bottom band like normal on both sides. And instead of adding on another band on top, you're going to just go ahead and pull the bottom band again. So now there should be only one band on your two fingers. And then from here, you're going to take an S or C clip. Or you can also use a paper clip or anything of that sort, and you're going to wrap around the two ending band like so, to where it's a loop around the S or C clip. And then you're going to attach the other side onto the starting band like so. And I made this one pretty short, so I'm going to wear it as a ring. But here's another one I made previously using 3 colors in a double way. And this bracelet took me about 10 minutes, and anyone can do it, and they look super cute. So after learning how to make this bracelet, y'all should go tonight and figure out how to make different kinds of bracelets and try to come up with your own.